guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I will be doing a hair install. So I purchased this. First of all, this is not sponsored. Hopefully we'll get there one day, but I purchased this wig with my own money. So this wig is from Love Me Hair. This is their loose wave 5x5 closure lace glueless wig. I got this in 16 inches long. So just a disclaimer, I am not a professional when it comes to bleaching. I don't know what I'm doing. I always use usually the Clairol B2 powder, but when it comes to developer, I be using 10 developer, 20, 30, 40. I really need to be paying attention to what I'm doing. But like I said, I am not a professional. So yeah, right now I'm just bleaching the knots. I'm pretty sure you guys know how to do this by now. There's a million tutorials on YouTube showing you how to properly bleach your knots. So that's what I'm doing here. And then I let that sit for, like I said, I don't even know. I use 40 volume developer, so it was pretty quick, so like maybe 15 minutes. Keep an eye on it so I'm washing it off. I don't have any purple shampoo. Usually you will want to use purple shampoo to help tone your lace, but I'm working with what I got. So washing out the bleach and then washing my wig. Moving on to conditioner. And this is what the knots are looking like after. Pretty good. So now I'm about to get ready to do this install. I have a wig cap on and I'm just going to put a little bit of foundation on it and also putting some foundation on the lace. So usually I like to do a side part. Side parts is usually what I go to. And I'm like, I should try something different and do, did I do a side part? It's looking like I did a side part. Now I am laying my roots flat with a hot comb just so I can see how the part's looking. Y'all, like I said, I am not a pro. Just wait. I was actually struggling a lot. So I have a wax stick that I'm going to be using to help me lay down my roots even flatter. I'm going to link or put down in the description like all the products I use. So just hot combing all of that down. Girl, hurry up. So now I am going to go in to cut my lace. And I'm going to be using the Ebin Lace Bond Spray. So I'm going to go in with like 3 layers. This dries really, really fast. I am going to melt it with my bands, and while that's melting, I'm just going to go ahead and start styling my wig. Now, like I said earlier, disclaimer, I am not a professional. I be struggling doing my hair. So, I cannot curl hair for nothing. As you can see, oof, I was just struggling. So I just wanted to do like some little light wand curls or some curls with my flat iron, just to give it a little, something. So that's what I'm attempting to do here. Like I said, I don't know. I be trying. It came out good after a while. You just look like, girl, what is you doing? Girl, all that for what? It didn't even curl. Okay, just give me a second. It came together. So I did let that sit while I was curling my hair. That took me a while. So I'm just going to go in and remove a little bit of the excess bonding spray. And then I'm just going to try to create a little bit of, baby hairs to camouflage the lace. So after like 30 minutes of struggling, it finally came together. It came out really well. This is my first wig from Love Me Hair. I definitely will be purchasing more wigs in the future. If you guys enjoyed this raggedy ass tutorial, make sure you thumbs up, subscribe, and come on back to my channel. Until then, I will see you guys in another one.